Multifunctional screen remover. Split structure. The upper suction cup structure is detachable. Can disassemble the mobile phone screen without heating. Detachable tablet screen. Can fix the mobile phone and remove the back cover glass. Disassemble the mobile phone screen operation. First unscrew the phone plug screw. Use industrial alcohol with a content of more than 95%, dripping into the edge of the phone screen. Do not drip alcohol into the camera part. Place the phone in the fixture. Hold down the phone and tighten the screw. It will be more stable when you pick it up and tighten the screws. Make sure the mobile phone is balanced and stable. Attach the suction cup to the screen detacher. Press the suction cup at the bottom of the screen to make it stick. Unscrew the tension screw. Watch the screen at the same time. Adjust the tension screw according to the actual situation. The screen opening should not be too large. Avoid other situations such as flex tearing. Loosen tension screw. Remove the suction cup. Then take out the phone and remove the screen to complete. Tablet heating and dismantling screen. Place the screen on a 70°C heating machine for 2–3 minutes. Hold the tablet in the screen splitter. Depending on the tablet, choose to clamp the middle, top or bottom. Tighten the clamping screw. Place suction cup. Press the suction cup to make it absorb. Unscrew the tension screw. Observe the opening of the screen. Open the screen to create a gap and insert it with a plastic sheet. Loosen tension screw. Release the suction cup. Take out the tablet. Then continue to heat the screen and take it apart. Removal of the back cover glass of the mobile phone. Fix the back cover into the fixture. Just lightly fix it. Do not over-tighten the screws. Avoid causing deformation of the case. Heat gun to OOC to assist in dismantling the glass. Do not subject the complete phone to glass removal. Excessive heat can damage the inside of the phone. Or battery high temperature caused an accident. Remove all broken glass. The above is the instruction of SS-601G Plus. If you encounter any problems, please contact the technician.